So yes my peeps, so welcome back to another video. So today your girl Otelia is going to fry some chicken. Yes man, so this is my flour well seasoned up, and I have baking powder. This is my chicken. I seasoned up my chicken from yesterday and it was in the fridge marinating. So yes, this is the chicken, and this is my season that I'm going to put into the cooking oil. I'll let on stove long time and I add. So this is scallion, thyme, hot pepper, ginger and thyme with some crushed pimento. Yes man. So pour that tea my people. Yeah, I'll flash up. Yes man, I'll flash up round here. Caution. So now I am going to flour my chicken. Yes my peeps. So I flour them, and it's about 9 pieces of chicken. I'm gonna go fry some fries. But then here around my daughter, so she wants some KFC chicken. So yeah, I'm sure where KFC can do, we can do it too. Yes guys, so I put those in the pot to get the flavor. Alright. So I have about 4 chicken leg here, 4 chicken wings, and a piece of thigh, 1 piece of thigh. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so this is it. So put in our pot. So guys, this is 1 for me and 1 for you. And more chicken leg again. My peeps. I don't know if your daughter wants chicken or chips for dinner, you just give her it. So 1 for you and 1 for me. Yes guys, remember subscribe, like and share. Remember to tell a friend that the girl Otelia way of living is here with another video. Yes guys. So push down scallion on one side and drop in with your chicken. Alright. So now I'm going to close my pot so the steam, the chicken them can steam. And guys, on that fried chicken, if you don't want the chicken burn up, remember that use no bilge oil. And so they use bilge oil, the chicken burn up the moment. When you want burn up chicken, they use bilge oil. Yes, so that's a one pound what I want. Right, this is right after it. KFC chicken in a Otelia we are giving. Alright, so yes my peeps, so this is one of the chicken pot. Yes man, chicken them nice. I like it. So that turn them. And remember to have a phone in my hand. So guys, these are my spice. If you see me in my pot, I'm going to spice them. So you get a little flavor from them, yeah? So, give that one another 5 minutes, then let's put it down. This my piece is a 1 pound, what's that one? Right here Friday. So here's my beef. So this is the chicken that I took out from the pot. Some chips. Right here we have some ketchup. This one here some ketchup, you just dip. Or just eat. So this is it. Chicken and chips. Yes guys, chicken and chips. This is it. So you can put some mayonnaise and ketchup, you know, and sprinkle it over the cheese. But this time, this is it. Shanika, this is it. For me, dip it like that.